Hi everyone, welcome to today's math lesson. So in today's lesson, we will be doing another group or lots or set counting. Can you remember how we counted yesterday? Note, we did not count in order. We counted in groups of twos or in lots of twos. Now I want you all to critically observe the picture you can find on my slide. Did you say it's a mitten or a glove? Whichever you said, I'm going to accept that. The words are similar and the pictures do look alike, except that they serve different purposes. So today I will be counting in groups of 5. So my learning objective for today is to be able to count in groups of 5. Can you all hold up 5 fingers on one hand? Very good. That's 5 finger. That's 5 finger. I said lots of 5 fingers. Excellent. So let's quickly move on with the lesson as we count on in groups of 5s. To do this, I will be needing a number line like I had yesterday. So let me quickly get the number line and put it up for you to see. Right. So this is my number line. And as I told you, we count in sets or groups of 5. So we are not going to start counting from either 0 or 1. We're going to look for where 5 is on our number line and start the count from there. So right above my number 5, I have placed a sign or a glove to show, or a mitten to show where I'm going to start counting from. So my first count when I start counting in groups of 5 will be the number 5. I will always start counting from the number that tells me the groups or sets of counting that I wish to undertake. So because we'll be counting in 5s today, my first count on the number line will be 5. So can you say that with me? 5. Now, I'm going to bring on another glove or another mitten to show you my next count or what the number should be when I count in groups of 5. I haven't set the number 5. What should be the next count after 5? I'll give you a few minutes to think about it before I bring on my glove. Great. So on my first slide, I had one mitten. Now I've got 2 mittens, and let's go on each mitten. I have 5 fingers. So the count is 5. Can you see? Right below my first mitten, I have number 5 highlighted. Then I move on to 10. Right below the mitten, I have the number 10. So 2 lots of 5 or 2 groups of 5 will be 10. Listen while I count. 5, 10. So I have 2 groups. This is group 1 and this is group 2. Group 1 has 5 fingers. Group 2 has 2 fingers. Altogether, I have 10 fingers. So 2 lots of 5 is 10. Amazing. Can we do that together again? 5, 10. So what number is 2 lots of 5? 2 lots of 5 is 10. And the number 10 is highlighted right below the second mittens. Well done. So close your eyes while I get on more mittens to show how we count in sets of 5s. Great. So now how many mittens can you see? Did you say 3? Okay, let's count in sets of 5 or in groups of 5 to find out what the next number will be. Having counted 5, 10. I want you all to look closely at this number. What's this number? 15. Excellent. You got that right. So let's count to tell 3 lots of 5. 3 lots of 5 will be 5, 10, 15. 3 lots of 5 is the same as 3 groups of 5. This is group 1, group 2, group 3. And each group has 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 lots of 5 is 15. Can we count all together now? Let's go. 5, 10, 15. Great job. You're doing an amazing job. Let's move further. Now we're going to look at what 4 lots of 5 is. 4 lots or 4 groups of 5s. Remember, these are your groups: group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4. And in each group, you have 5 fingers. So let's do that quickly. 5, 10, 15, and 20. So 4 lots of 5 or 4 groups of 5 is 20. You will always find the correct number that tells you what the count is, highlighted in red. And right below the fourth group of 5 is the number 20. Well done, everybody. Let's keep going. Great job, everyone. Now our next task is to find out what is 5 lots of 5 or 5 groups of 5. Don't forget, these are our groups. And in each groups, we have 5 fingers. So let's count them in 5s. Let's go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5 lots of 5 is 25. And right below the 5th mittens, you have the number 25. Now I need you all to close your eyes while I bring on my next slide. Open. On this slide, we'll be counting to find out what number is 5 lots of 6 or 5 groups of 6. Remember, we're counting in sets of 5s and we have mittens representing each set. So I point at the number and you count with me. Are you ready to count with me, everyone? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Fantastic effort. So 5 lots of 6 is 30. If you're not sure if your answer is correct or not, you can decide to go count the fingers one after the other to confirm. But you don't have to do that because this is a better way of counting and a more faster way of arriving at your answer. Remember, we're not counting in order, we're not counting in sequence, so we will not be counting 1, 2, 3 as usual, but in sets of 5. Can we try it again? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. You are doing an excellent job. Now it's your turn. Can you count to tell 5 lots of 7? I'm listening. I will point at it while you say it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and what's this number, everyone? Did you say 35? You are so right. This is 35. So 5 lots of 7 or 5 groups of 7 is 35. These are your groups: 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. And in each group, you have 5 fingers. So that explains 5 lots of 7. 5 lots of 7 is 35. Well done. Right on the slide, I've got 5 lots of 8. Let's all count in fives to know what number is 5 lots of 8. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. What's this number? Did you say 40? Brilliant. That's 40. So 5 lots of 8 is 40. You are doing a great job. Well done, everyone. So the next activity we'll be doing will be on the board. You will have a link and a code that will direct you to the lesson, and you will do a little bit of practice counting in groups or sets of 5. Are you ready? Let's go to the airport, everyone. You have done an amazing job, and I strongly know that you will be able to complete the assigned task with so much ease. But it's okay if you're unable to do it all by yourself. It is a lesson that is guided. So I will be in the lesson with you to guide you through the lesson. See you all on NEPAD.